Here's everything you need to know about our new Sonos integration. Setting it up is super simple. For example, if you want to use your KNX push button to control your Sonos speakers, you can use One Home IoT Gateway functionality or One Home automations to set everything up. You can also use Matter devices, such as this IKEA remote control, or Luxon devices to get even more control points or control interfaces for your Sonos sound system. Another cool thing is that you can play sound effects through your Sonos speakers. For example, if you have a smart doorbell integrated into One Home, you can use One Home automations to connect everything so that when there's someone at the door, you can hear it through a sound effect on your Sonos speakers. There's even more default sound effects such as alarms, even some funny ones, or you can even self-host your own custom sounds and use that to play it through your Sonos sound system. You can also use One Home scenes to quickly manage your Sonos speaker groups or to trigger some Sonos related scenes through your One Home mobile app. And now you might be asking, is this available for my device as well? Well, if you have One Home Server KNX Pro, One Home IoT Gateway, or One Home Server Luxon, then the answer is yes. Just update it to the latest software version and you're good to go.